wasn't grown up in my but I wasn't grown up in my but I wasn't grown up in my
Good morning, vintage beauties, and I am here with another wig review. Not a tutorial, just a review. I am reviewing this Amazon wig by the company Donmily. It is a afro kinky hair texture, 18 inches. Once again, the company is Donmily. I will have all the information linked down below. So this is the box that it came in. This box is amazing. I love the packaging. Let's see what comes inside. So the wig is nicely packaged in this Ziploc. They also sent me some free eyelashes. And then I got a wig cap. Zoom in. So we're going to go ahead and look at the, we're going to go ahead and install this. Lift it up a little, like that. We're going to go ahead and install this wig. So let's get started. So you can see, I'm gonna mute this out anyway and just so this is the wig straight out the package. Let's just go ahead and start with that. The curls are nice and soft. There are some little pieces that stick up, but that is nothing that can't be adjusted. The lace does seem like it is specifically formulated for my skin. I will say that. The hair does not have a bad smell. It has a new wig smell. You know how cars have a new car smell? I will tease these curls out to my liking. But let's just start with the first impression of the wig. Okay, I can already tell that I'm gonna like this hair, especially when I tease it out. I love the automatic like structure of the wig. I love the length, and I love how they already have it formulated into like a style. So let me just go ahead and tease her out a little. I'm gonna do some finger teasing kind of to just loosen up the curls. You can keep the curls tight if you wanted to, but me, I don't like things so structured. So I'm gonna go ahead and tease her out and kind of just, you know, funk up the curls a little bit so they're not so structured. And see how that looks already? It already looks better when you just kind of play with the hair. I'm looking in my mirror, so that's why I am doing it like that. But so I'm just kind of making it. I love big hair too. This hair is soft. The curls are tight, so you will have to play with it and mess it up. You can, you know, make it smaller if you want by just kind of shaving some of it out, you know, getting your razor. But this is the hair. I love the shape. This is pre-cut. I think it's just a little easier to manipulate and mess with when you don't have it cut yet. I feel like this wig would not even need glue. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Got To Be on it. So this is her basically straight out the package. Really good if you like full hair. It has the new wig smell. I love it. I love how it's already pre-framed for my face. I love this hair. I absolutely love it. You have enough, can you zoom in, Jay? You have enough parting space, or part space I should say, So the part space goes deep and natural. I will tweeze it a little bit. I will cut it, and we will be back once I'm done. Pause it. As you can see, this is the finished product, and I really like her. Now I had to shape her to my face, give her life. I put a little bit of my concealer on top, but I really like her. Zoom in, Jay. I really like her. I feel like she is super cute and natural looking. She is a for real sister girl wig, and I recommend you get her. She was only $34.99. Once you get her, it's like a twist out. You know how when your hair is twisted, is really like the twists are tight and you have to kind of comb them out. Like, you have to do her like this. You got to take care of sister girl. She is really here, and I love it. I teased it because I wanted to have that really natural look where it looks like this is my hair. I only plucked a little. There's no need to glue, because this is not a style you're going to wear in a ponytail. You possibly could clip back a little bit, and it just depends. But with this hairstyle, you don't really need a lot of baby hair. You can use your own hair for baby hair. This is a for real, like, twist out look. This is the twist out look. I love how big and full she is. I like her more teased out. If you liked her the way she looked before, then that's fine. The part is this natural looking part. As you can see, hair is super soft. Let me see if I could just read you some stuff about her. Let me see. Once again, this is the color 1B. She is 18 inches. I did cut her to fit my face the way I saw fit. The supplier is Donmily on Amazon. You can also go to www.donmily.com. Yeah, I'll post all the deets down below, but this is a for real, like, natural looking hairstyle. For that wash and go look, that twist out look, that that I've had my curls in for a minute and now I'm just allowing them to flow how they flow. You will have to shape her and do your own work to get her to frame your face and do what you want her to do. But that's with any hairstyle. You wake up, the hairstyle you want, you frame it to your face, you tweeze to your liking. So this is a synthetic wig. You treat it as such, have fun with it, cut it the way you see fit, and boom, you are ready to go. Once again, it's your girl Vintage Sister. If I would rate this, I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason I give it a 9 is because it requires more manipulation because it is synthetic. But other than that, as far as the wig goes, the wig is fine. I really like her, and I think I'm going to wear her out today when we go out. So once again, it's your girl Vintage Sister. Won't you go out and cop this wig on Amazon? All the information will be down below. Peace and blessings. Deuces.